That's why I got it first. I don't know what's poison oak or poison ivy.
No, there's
There's
none.
nothing poisonous, bro.
There's nothing poisonous.
Tell me that ain't something that you're allergic to.
That's a
yeah,
fact.
that's...
Yeah, you know that you're allergic to everything now.
All right, so all right, so you're going to come over here. The first thing you're going to do is press this.
The bottom?
Yes, this right here.
Okay.
And then you're going to press the bottom.
Okay.
And then you're going to push this lever down.
Okay. What
Right?
does that do?
It's going to lock it.
Okay.
I don't even think, yeah. So you have to release the throttle to press it down.
Okay.
Okay? Then you're going to come over here, left foot on, here and there. So it's holding. So the chainsaw don't move, and your right hand on here, then you pull in. Okay?
And this is to make the chainsaw move?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you
So
can't
avoid that.
Yeah, so I want you to pick the weight, pick it up so you can feel the weight of it first.
Yeah.
No, pick it up. Right.
Yeah.
So, because it ain't nothing to play with now. It'll
No,
cut
I know.
your ass in half.
That's why I'm trying.
Yeah, baby.
Bro,
Turn
I
this
know.
up.
That's
All
why
right.
I'm trying to get the lesson first.
Okay. So, no, make it level as possible. Come over. Right. Okay. All right, let me get out of the way. Okay. Foot in. Right. Put your foot in nicely.
Hold on. Okay. Press this.
Right.
Press this.
Push that down. Did it go down and lock?
No. It's supposed to stay down?
It's supposed to stay down. So you gotta press the throttle and push that all the way down. Did
It
it
does-
lock?
No.
You're not pressing the throttle then.
I'm pressing both of these. This,
Press that down,
this.
yes, and then push that all the way down.
Yeah, then is that down?
No. Did it go? Maybe you'll have to do it now. Let me see. Yes. Yeah, you didn't push it down. Press that. Push it all the way down.
What am I doing?
You gotta push. You got the throttle all the way in?
You might just need to put some force on it, I ain't gonna lie.
What do you?
I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Yeah, it's just here, here, here. See? Here, here, and push it down. Okay? Go again.
Patience.
We're recording.
They don't care.
Oh, God.
Bro.
Your foot is all the way in? Okay, so push
Here.
down. Yep.
Here.
And push that all the way down. Just push it with one finger, not the, yeah. Okay.
Like,
You're not doing something right. I mean, it's just.
Let me try. If it's you, man, tell me tight.
Push it all the way down. So it locks.
I won't say. It's not her.
Hold on. Let me start it so it's not flooded right now.
The man's got the magic.
No. And then did you have this foot? Which foot did you have? You had your right.
No, my left foot.
You had your left foot?
I follow instructions.
I don't know. Yeah, it might not need to be. Okay, so. Alright, so it had enough fluid in. Alright, so just left foot, hand on here,
Okay.
pull it.
Okay.
Alright, it's gonna start. All right, I'm out of the way.
Don't move that joint.
Left foot. Left foot.
I gotta pull with my left hand?
Yeah. You
My
hold it,
left hand is weak.
push it right, push it down. There you go.
Oh my God.
Okay, now what you want to do is take your left hand, take your right hand off. Take your left hand, grab that handle. Right, okay, pick it up. Put that right hand on it. Okay.
I'm gonna move it the other way. Wow. Because I'm more comfortable with the other way.
That's fine. Open the throttle. It's a machine.
You better handle that thing or it's gonna handle you.
Right, it's a machine. That's what I'm saying. I don't want you to handle delicate. And that's why I said, you saying this is more comfortable for you, but no, that's not the proper
The
way.
reason why I was saying that is because my right hand
Are you right hand or left hand?
I'm right-handed.
And that's why you have it this way.
Yeah.
Because you're controlling
The left
machine
hand
with
is just
your
the
right
guard.
hand.
The left
Right
hand is just the
right.
just like
It's
the
guide.
support.
This is the support. This
Yeah.
is your strongest hand. That's why I told you use your right hand.
Okay.
Yeah. Think of it like a sword.
Right. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, but even when I shoot
People hold that.
like, I don't use my right hand because I don't know. It's weird. I felt like this would help me control it more.
No.
Not
No.
this because this
That's
is like,
more the control.
No.
This is just holding
what
it steady.
This is what you do. This is
Yeah.
what your power is here.
Yeah,
Okay.
that
You gotta
just holds it
control
steady.
with this. Your left hand is weak. This is just right, holding it steady.
Okay,
All right. So, yeah,
that's that.
yeah. Did you get footage of it?
Mhm.
Want to play it back so you make